Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 24. As you know that in day 23, I have explained about value of acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. Okay, and you know that the value of acceleration due to gravity is decreases when you go above the surface of the earth. Okay, today I am going to explain about what will be the value of acceleration due to gravity below the depth of the earth. Okay, so let us hear. Today's topic is how does g vary with the depth below the surface of the earth. Okay, so students, kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and your science book and turn page number 143 and see the topic how does a small g acceleration due to gravity vary with the depth below the surface of the earth. Okay, see the figure. This is earth. Okay, this is the external surface of the earth. Okay, and the radius is here re. Okay, and when any object goes to the depth in the earth, then it carries h, height h. Okay, so actual distance, actual radius, left radius is re minus h. Okay, so distance covered here left distance is re minus h. Gravity depends upon the distance between them. Object is here and the central point of earth is here, so this distance is measured for calculating the value of gravity, acceleration due to gravity. So actual distance is re minus h. Okay, let us hear. Where a body is inside the earth at certain depth, then only the inner solid sphere will exert gravitational force on the body. That means when object is inside the earth, that means object is supposed that is here, then the gravitational force act on the object by the inner surface of the earth. Okay, let us consider a body of mass m at a depth h below the surface of the earth. Then this is the depth h. Okay, then the radius of the inner solid sphere of the earth is re minus h. Okay, this is the radius, left radius is here re minus h. Now you know that volume of the inner solid sphere of the earth is equal to, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi, and r is here re minus h, inner surface. Okay, inner sphere. So you will put here re minus h, 4 by 3 pi re minus h whole cube. Okay, and suppose that if d is the average density of the earth, then density is equal to mass by volume. So we can say that mass is equal to volume into density. So mass of the inner solid sphere, that means mass of this part, okay, inner solid sphere is equal to of the earth equal to 4 by 3 pi re minus h whole cube. This is volume into density. Mass is equal to volume into density. Put the value of volume is there 4 by 3 pi re minus h whole cube into density d. Students, according to the law of gravitation, F is equal to g m1 m2 by r square, and that F is equal to mg. Okay, this is gravity for when the object is inner side of the earth. Okay, so you will suppose here g dash, mg dash is equal to capital G, and you have find the mass of the inner solid sphere of the earth is 4 by 3 pi re minus h whole cube into d, and this is mass of the object by radius of the object, inner radius re minus h whole square. Okay, a small m cancel out, re minus h whole square is cancelled out by the 3 term power cube, and 1 is left re minus h. Okay, so we can say that a small g dash is equal to g into 4 by 3 pi re minus h into d. You have to suppose here this is equation 1. Okay. Now on the surface of the earth, you know g is equal to g me by r square. Okay. Acceleration due to gravity on the earth, surface of the earth is equal to small g is equal to g me by r square. Capital G is acceleration due to gravity, whereas me mass of the earth and re radius of the earth. Okay. Now put the value of capital G into 4 by 3 pi r like this. Okay. 4 by 3. Outer surface is also as a sphere, so you will write here volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. R e cube into density into d by r e square. Okay. R e square is cancelled out by r cube and left one r e. Okay. So we can say that a small g is equal to capital G into 4 by 3 pi r cube d. This is equation 2. Now students, from equation 2 is divided by equation 1. Okay. From equation 2 is divided by equation 1. Put the value left term g dash. Okay. G dash by g. Sorry. From equation 1 divided by 2. Okay. So g dash by g is equal to g into 4 by 3 into pi r e minus h into d by g into 4 by 3 pi r e into d. Okay. G cancel out, 4 by 3 cancel out, pi cancel out, d cancel out. Then left term is g dash by g equal to r e minus h by r e. And you know student, r e minus h, that means it is less than 1. So r e minus h by r e is less than 1. That means g dash, and it goes to right side, and g dash is less than g. So we conclude that the acceleration due to gravity inside the earth is less than the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Okay. Therefore the value of small g decreases as we go down below the surface of the earth. Okay. So finally conclude that the value of acceleration due to gravity increases when we go down, we go above the surface of the earth, and in both conditions the value of g decreases when we go above the surface of the earth or below the surface of the earth. Students, I hope you all understood very well about the concept of acceleration due to gravity. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity when above the object is placed above the surface of the earth and below the surface of the earth. So students, today's class is over. Now it is time for your homework. Write down homework. Students, this is your homework for day 24. Today I have given once again only one question. See question number 1. Explain the value of small g as we go down the surface of the earth. Today I have explained this topic, so it is very easy for you. So you will do. Let us see once again. Question 1. Explain the value of a small g as we go down the surface of the earth. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.